It's very important to explain any sort of gap in your career history because we want to understand why you took that break. Just talk about it, be open and honest.
I think it's very important to know what were you doing in your downtime. Were you looking for jobs or were you just hanging out with your friends? How serious are you about employment?
I would wait until you have a chance to talk that through with an interviewer or hiring manager. But I think being prepared for that question or working that into your answers to their questions is very key. Make sure you've prepped before the interview.
Don't be defensive and don't be apologetic. Just state what it is you did, relate it to some learnings. Give me your story and journey about how that has added to your life and brought you to this place and time. So I kind of want you to take me on that journey.
We definitely want to hire someone that's going to stick with us for a long time. And if you have gaps in employment, let us know what you've been doing and what you've been doing to keep yourself active so that you would be helpful in the workforce later on.